Hello friend, today we are studying Aquarium Water Quality and Management Part 3 by Rohini Sudhakar Chavan, NES Science College Nanded, BSc 3rd year, paper number 14, unit number 2. Ammonia. Ammonia is a compound in the water, initial product of the decomposition of nitrogenous waste and the respiration and the may be indicate the presence of a decomposing urea, feces and organics. High concentration of ammonia are equal to increased ammonia concentration and the pH in the fish blood. Gill damage, reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood, increase the oxygen demand of the tissue, damage the red blood cell, affect the osmoregulation. The toxicity of the total ammonia, nitrogen and TAN, which equal to NH4 plus NH3 depending on the what factors of the total ionization, since this is a more toxic form. Ionized and non-ionized ammonia equilibrium depend upon the pH, temperature and salinity. Ammonia toxicity can be influenced by the temperature and salinity. In general, warm water fish are more tolerant to ammonia than the cold water fish. Freshwater fish are more tolerant to ammonia than the marine water fish. Blackish water shrimp forms zeolite are known to be added to control the ammonia concentration. Zeolite have been shown that technically effective in freshwater. Other option include using the aeration to the oxidize the ammonia nitrogen and adjust the pH and use the stream to volatilize the ammonia. This table shows the fraction of temperature, pH, dissolved O2, plant and phytoplankton and their effect, their respiration, gull surface, CO2 expiration, acceleration, environmental ammonia, what effect occur on a fish. This table shows the species and ammonia concentration and what effect their commitment about their effect and reduction in a growth rate is shown in this table. Nitrate is a primarily as a terminately in a conversion of ammonia to nitrate. The process is known as a nitrification. High nitrate concentration deactivate the hemoglobin in the blood of fish, thus causing the hypoxia. This condition is referred as to a brown blood disease. A similar effect is found on crustacean. Nitrate toxicity reduced by the ion such as calcium chloride, bromide, bicarbonate. As a result, a rarely problem in salt water and blackish water. Treatment aeration can be used to promote the nitrification process. Species water is hardness and their concentration. Nitrate is the least toxic to the major inorganic nitrogen component, and high level of nitrate affects the osmoregulation and the oxygen transport. High nitrate level eutrophication, excessive growth of algae and the aquatic plant, negative impact on a culture species. Hydrogen sulfide, H2S. The hydrogen sulfide is promoted to bacteria undergo the oxygen survive condition. It is very toxic to fish. Even extremely low concentration of hydrogen sulfide causes the hypoxia and deadly, extremely harmful to the fish, and concentration on little 0.05 milligram per liter -1 causes the death after only a brief exposure, and concentration less than the 0.01 milligram per liter -1 having a inhibition reproduction. Treatment oxidation of the potassium permanganate or dilute through the water exchange, the best method for a hydrogen sulfide removal. Prevent by the vigorous aeration and circulation, eliminate the aerobic zone, and as a method of hydrogen sulfide remove some companies in Asia selling phosphated bacteria adding which claim to convert the hydrogen sulfide to sulfide. Thank you.